Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make ampalaya with egg, or known as bitter melon. So these are my ingredients. Just very simple. I have the ampalaya, 6 eggs, tomato, garlic, scallion, magic syrup, salt, and oil. So these are very simple. Magic syrup is just optional. So let's start. So the first thing I normally put is the garlic. Add the spring onion or the scallion and then mix together. Add all our tomatoes. Tomatoes will produce liquid, so we will not put any water. And then add all our bitter melon or the ampalaya. The scientific name for this is Momordica Charantia, which has been confirmed to have a blood glucose lowering effect. So good for diabetes. And we have to cover and simmer it. So that's mix. You have to mix that thoroughly again. And then we have to add now our eggs. So I have here the 6 beaten eggs. You can, if you don't want 6, if you want only 2, that will do. But I just love to put the 6 beaten eggs. And then mix them thoroughly. Then we need to cover and simmer for 3 minutes in a medium heat. Then check after. Mix thoroughly again. And we have to add now our magic syrup seasoning. This is really optional. If you don't have this, that's fine. Or you can just add salt and that's fine. And then mix thoroughly again. Just mix, mix, mix. And cover again. And this is it, guys. It's all cooked. And it's bon appetit. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, just comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And please check out my other videos as well. Enjoy and stay safe, everyone. Yours truly, Tita Barbee. Bye.